Hello and welcome back to MoneyMasterMind. Today we are exploring Ondo Finance and what you need to know about it. Now let's get started. But first, if you enjoy this content or anything related to investing, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Now let's get straight into it. In the changing world of finance, Ondo Finance stands as a fundamental concept reshaping the way we perceive and navigate economic systems. Ondo Finance encapsulates a broad spectrum of decentralized financial technologies, including blockchain, cryptocurrencies, and decentralized finance platforms. Understanding Ondo Finance is not merely an option, but a necessity for those striving for financial security and growth. Comprehending Ondo Finance in the world of personal financial planning is crucial. As traditional financial institutions undergo transformation and new digital ones emerge, you must adapt your strategies to leverage the opportunities and mitigate the risks presented by Ondo Finance. From optimizing investment portfolios to embracing alternative banking solutions, a grasp of Ondo Finance allows you to make informed decisions tailored to your financial goals and circumstances. In an era where financial literacy is essential, understanding Ondo Finance is like equipping yourself with a compass to navigate modern finance and outline a course towards personal prosperity. Ondo Finance represents a radical change in the world of finance, merging traditional principles with cutting-edge digital innovation. At its core, Ondo Finance encompasses a spectrum of decentralized financial technologies, from blockchain-powered cryptocurrencies to decentralized autonomous organizations, redefining how value is created, transferred, and managed in the digital age. Defining Ondo Finance involves grasping its expansive scope, which extends beyond conventional financial systems to include decentralized applications, smart contracts, and peer-to-peer lending platforms. It removes intermediaries and promotes trust through transparent, immutable protocols. Key components and principles supporting Ondo Finance include decentralization, transparency, security, and integration. Decentralization ensures that no single entity has control over the network, promoting resilience and reducing systemic risks. Transparency is supported by public ledgers, enabling participants to verify transactions and holdings in real time. Security is upheld through cryptographic encryption and consensus mechanisms, safeguarding assets against unauthorized access and fraud. Integration allows different Ondo Finance protocols to seamlessly interact and exchange value, unlocking new possibilities for innovation and collaboration. Understanding the historical context and evolution of Ondo Finance provides insights into its rapid growth and adoption. Stemming from the work of Bitcoin's creator, Satoshi Nakamoto, Ondo Finance has evolved from a niche concept to a global phenomenon, driven by advancements in blockchain technology and increasing disappointment with centralized financial systems. Its journey is characterized by experimentation, innovation, and occasional setbacks, with each milestone shaping its trajectory and potential impact on the future of finance. In essence, comprehending Ondo Finance involves appreciating its diverse nature, underlying principles, and historical context, laying the groundwork for exploiting its transformative potential in personal and institutional finance. Ondo Finance puts a profound influence on the trajectory of global financial markets, reshaping traditional frameworks and introducing new dynamics that have far-reaching implications for individual investors and consumers alike. Ondo Finance's impact on global financial markets is substantial, introducing unparalleled levels of liquidity, volatility, and market accessibility. The emergence of cryptocurrencies and decentralized exchanges has diversified investment options and democratized access to financial services, challenging the dominance of traditional institutions and encouraging innovation in capital markets. For individual investors and consumers, the implications of Ondo Finance are varied. On one hand, it offers opportunities for portfolio diversification, wealth accumulation, and financial inclusion, allowing individuals to participate in global markets with reduced barriers to entry. On the other hand, it introduces complexities such as heightened volatility, regulatory uncertainty, and security risks, necessitating informed decision-making and risk management strategies. Ondo Finance presents a wide range of opportunities and risks that you must navigate to optimize their financial outcomes. Opportunities include high-yield investment opportunities, decentralized lending and borrowing platforms, and innovative financial products that cater to diverse needs and preferences. However, these opportunities are accompanied by risks such as market volatility, smart contract vulnerabilities, regulatory crackdowns, and potential loss of funds due to technological glitches or security breaches. As such, you must approach Ondo Finance with caution, conducting thorough due diligence and seeking professional advice when necessary to mitigate risks and capitalize on opportunities effectively. In summary, the impact of Ondo Finance on your financial future is significant, offering both opportunities and risks that require careful consideration and strategic planning to navigate successfully. Embracing Ondo Finance in your financial planning journey requires a proactive approach that encompasses education, strategic decision-making, and risk management techniques tailored to the unique characteristics of decentralized finance. Education serves as the foundation for navigating the complexities of Ondo Finance. Dedicate time to understanding key concepts such as blockchain technology, smart contracts, decentralized applications, and the underlying principles of decentralization and transparency. Stay informed of the latest developments and trends in the Ondo Finance space through reputable sources, online forums, and educational platforms. Integrate Ondo Finance insights into your investment decisions by assessing the potential impact of decentralized technologies on various asset classes and industries. Consider diversifying your investment portfolio to include Ondo Finance assets such as cryptocurrencies, decentralized exchanges, and decentralized finance protocols. Adopt a long-term perspective and evaluate investment opportunities based on their fundamentals, market dynamics, and alignment with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Manage risks and leverage opportunities effectively by implementing risk management strategies that account for the unique characteristics of Ondo Finance. Diversify your exposure across multiple assets and protocols to mitigate concentration risk. Steer clear of security threats such as phishing attacks, smart contract vulnerabilities, and exchange hacks by implementing strong security measures such as cold storage solutions and multi-factor authentication. Also, conduct thorough due diligence before engaging with new projects or platforms, and be mindful of regulatory developments and compliance requirements that may impact your Ondo Finance activities. Incorporating Ondo Finance into your financial planning efforts empowers you to capitalize on emerging opportunities while mitigating potential risks, paving the way for a more resilient and prosperous financial future. In the rapidly evolving landscape of Ondo Finance, staying informed and equipped with the right tools and resources is essential for navigating its complexities effectively and making informed decisions. Online platforms and forums serve as invaluable sources of real-time information and community engagement in the world of Ondo Finance. Websites such as ondofinance.com provide comprehensive coverage of news, developments, and insights related to decentralized finance, blockchain technology, and cryptocurrencies. Participating in online forums and social media communities such as Reddit's r/r Ondo Finance and Discord channels allows individuals to exchange ideas, seek advice, and stay updated on the latest trends and discussions shaping the Ondo Finance ecosystem. Expert analysis and commentary offer valuable perspectives and insights into the trends, opportunities, and challenges within the Ondo Finance space. Accessing reputable sources of expert analysis, such as research reports from leading blockchain research firms, interviews with industry thought leaders, and opinion pieces from experienced investors and analysts provides valuable context and guidance for making informed decisions in Ondo Finance. Educational materials and courses play a crucial role in deepening one's understanding of Ondo Finance concepts and principles. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and decentralized learning platforms offer a plethora of courses covering topics ranging from blockchain fundamentals and cryptocurrency investing to decentralized finance protocols and smart contract development. Also, educational resources such as white papers, technical documentation, and online tutorials provide valuable insights into the inner workings of specific Ondo Finance projects and technologies. By leveraging online platforms, expert analysis, and educational resources, you can improve your knowledge, skills, and confidence in navigating the complexities of Ondo Finance, allowing you to make informed decisions and seize opportunities in this rapidly evolving ecosystem. The trajectory of Ondo Finance is set to shape the future of the financial landscape, driven by developments, regulatory dynamics, and technological innovations. Emerging developments and innovations will bring a new era of possibilities for Ondo Finance. Advancements in blockchain technology, such as scalability solutions and integration protocols, are set to improve the efficiency and scalability of decentralized networks. Also, the expansion of decentralized finance applications is opening up access to financial services, enabling individuals worldwide to participate in lending, borrowing, and trading without intermediaries. Potential challenges and regulatory considerations appear as Ondo Finance continues to disrupt traditional financial systems. Regulatory frameworks are still evolving to accommodate the unique characteristics and risks associated with decentralized finance, leading to uncertainty and compliance challenges for market participants. Concerns about security vulnerabilities, market manipulation, and consumer protection remain relevant, requiring collaborative efforts between regulators, industry stakeholders, and innovators to address emerging risks effectively. Long-term implications for the financial landscape are profound, with Ondo Finance set to prompt systemic changes in how value is created, transferred, and managed. As decentralized technologies gain mainstream adoption and acceptance, they have the potential to promote greater financial inclusion, resilience, and innovation, allowing individuals and communities to exert greater control over their financial destinies. However, the transition towards a decentralized financial future is not without obstacles, and its ultimate impact will depend on how effectively stakeholders navigate regulatory, technological, and societal challenges. In summary, the future of Ondo Finance holds immense promise and potential, driven by emerging trends, regulatory dynamics, and technological innovations. By anticipating and addressing challenges proactively, you can exploit the transformative power of Ondo Finance to create a more inclusive, efficient, and resilient financial ecosystem for generations to come. In conclusion, Ondo Finance emerges as a transformative force with profound implications for personal financial success. Its integration into financial planning strategies allows you to diversify your portfolios, access new investment opportunities, and participate in a more inclusive financial ecosystem. It is essential to proactively engage with Ondo Finance principles, staying informed about developing trends, and mastering the tools and resources available. By doing so, you can position yourself to capitalize on the opportunities presented by decentralized finance while effectively managing associated risks. Navigating the difficulties of Ondo Finance requires diligence, education, and adaptability. While it may present challenges such as regulatory uncertainties and security vulnerabilities, it also offers unprecedented potential for innovation and wealth creation. In embracing Ondo Finance, you begin a journey towards a more secure financial future, where transparency, decentralization, and financial autonomy reign supreme. By embracing change and leveraging the transformative power of decentralized technologies, you can pave the way for a more resilient and prosperous financial future for yourself and generations to come. Thanks for watching Money Mastermind. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our other videos for more investing tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on all our latest videos, and we'll see you in the next one.